our topic is all about arithmetic sequence. Now, what is arithmetic sequence? It is a sequence in which the difference between any two consecutive terms is the same. Okay, now, let us now try to get the difference. The difference between 10 and 8 is 2. The difference between 8 and 6 is 2 also. 6 and 4 is 2. So we have 4 and 2. We have 2 also. Okay, so the formula for nth term of an arithmetic sequence is given by a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d, where a1 is our first term and d is what we call the common difference, and the common difference of this is 2. In order for us not to be confused regarding the common difference, so let us try to rewrite the common difference, which is here a sub 5 minus a sub 4. So we have here a sub 4 minus a sub 3. We have a sub 3 minus a sub 2 can be a sub 2 minus a sub 1. In short, the common difference is the difference between the two consecutive terms. So in this given, let us try to find a sub 10, or simply the 10th term. So let us try to determine all the given here. So let us try to identify a sub 1. So a sub 1, which is the first term, which is 2. And we have here the common difference, which is this, 2 also. And here, we are after the nth term. Since we are after the 10th term, our n here is 10. Now, let us now try to substitute the following in the given formula. So, a sub 10 is equal to a sub 1, which is 2, plus the quantity n minus 1, so we have the value of n is 10, minus 1, which is 9, times the common difference, which is 2. So let us try to solve a sub 10 is equal to 2 plus 9 times 2, which is 18. And we have a sub 10 is equal to 2 plus 18, which is equal to 20. So our 10th term is equal to 20. Let us now try to have an example. 5, 9, 13, 17, and so on. The question is, which term is 397? So we are after the value of n. So let us now try to get the given. So we have our a sub n is equal to 397, which is the last term. Then our a sub 1, which is the first term, which is equal to 5. And the common difference, which is 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. So we can use also the other numbers. 17 minus 13, the answer is equal to 4 also. So that is our common difference. We will now try to substitute the following values on the formula. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d. Our a sub n here is the last term, which is 397. Is equal to a sub 1, the first term, 5, plus n minus 1, the d, our common difference, which is equal to 4. So again, our unknown is the value of n. So 397 is equal to 5. Let us now try to distribute. N times 4, that is 4n. So negative 1 times 4, that is negative 4. So solving the formula, 5 minus 4 is equal to 1 plus 4n. Transposing 1 here on the left side, so we have 397 minus 1 is equal to 4n. 397 minus 1, that is 396 is equal to 4n. Dividing by the coefficient of n, which is 4. So 396 divided by 4, the answer is 99 is equal to n. So we have n is equal to 99. Now, since we are after the position in order, the position or order of 397, the answer is 99. So we have the 99th term. 397 is the 99th term. Okay, so the given here is a sub 4, which is the fourth term, is equal to 28. A sub 15, or the 15th term, is equal to 105. And we are after the first term and the common difference. Okay, so what we are going to do is, let us try to assume this is the first term. So assuming that 28 is our first term, so if we assume that a sub 4 is our first term, we have subtracted 3 terms. So we will now try to subtract 3 terms on this. Since this is our 15th term, it will become our 12th term. Okay, so again, we have the formula a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times b. Since our last term here is 105, so we can denote this as our a sub n, the last term, 105. Our a1, which is 28, plus the nth term. Since 105 is our 12th term, so we will denote 12 here minus 1 times the d, the common difference, which is unknown. Okay, so solving this now, so we have 105 is equal to 28 plus 12 minus 1, that is 11d. Okay, transposing 28 here on the left side, so we have 105 minus 28 is equal to 11d. So let's try to solve this. So 5 minus 8, this cannot be. Let's try to borrow. So this will become 15 minus 8. So we have 7. So we have here 9 minus 2 is 7 also. It's equal to 11d. Dividing both sides by the coefficient of d, which is 11. So cancel out 11 here. So 77 divided by 11, the answer is 7, is equal to d. So we have d is equal to 7. That is now our common difference. Now, to get our original a1, since we have already the d here, let us now try to use the original given, which is 28, as the fourth term. Okay, so we have here a sub n, which is the last term. I'll be assuming a sub 4 here is our last term, which is 28, is equal to a sub 1, the original a sub 1, which is unknown, plus, since I use 28 here, our n here will be 4, since that is the fourth term. So 4 minus 1 times the d, the common difference here, which is 7. Okay, solving for this now, so we have 28 is equal to a1 plus 4 minus 1, that is 3, times 7. So we have 28 is equal to a1 plus 3 times 7, which is 21. Okay, transposing 21 on the left side, so 28 minus 21 is equal to a sub 1. So we have 28 minus 21, the answer, which is 7, and that is our a1. So our first term, which is equal to 7. So we have already here the first term, and we have the common difference.